Hello loves, I'm Stephanie Itzel and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Coachella Festival Inspired makeup look. I'm actually going to a concert tonight. I'm not at Coachella, but in spirit I am. I'm actually going to go see Goldroom. He's one of my favorite DJs and I haven't seen him in a while. So I thought I would do this look. It's more of like a yellow, very bronze, highlighted glam look. I'm wearing a choker. It's with a Buddha bracelet, and I just thought it would be fun to do a look like this. So if you want to keep watching, you're gonna see how I got this look. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, and I hope you enjoy this video. So to start, I'm going to prep my face by using the Kiehl's Hydroplumping Serum Concentrate. I'm gonna link that video right here. And it's just a really good hydration serum. My skin really needs it. So I'm just gonna put that all over the face, so it's nice and hydrated. And I'm gonna bring it down to my neck. And then I'm gonna also moisturize with the Ultra Facial Cream. And I'm just gonna like let this dry for a little bit because my skin's like really dewy right now, and that's what we want. So to start, I'm gonna prep my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish. This is just gonna help prime my face for foundation, so it's gonna blur everything. I'm just gonna put that all over the face. This is one of my favorite primers, so. I'm gonna use a couple different products for foundation. So to start, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever HD foundation stick, and I'm gonna put this just all over. And then I'm also going to use another foundation. I kind of really want to look tan, so I'm gonna also use the Becca Skin Love. I'm just gonna use a little bit and I'm gonna put it on my hand. And then I'm going to mix in the Nars Laguna Liquid Bronzer, which is really cool because it just makes everything look darker. And just make sure you take a damp beauty blender. I'm just going to mix it on my hand. And I'm going to put it all over my face. So just remember, like, the rest of my body is pretty tan, but my face isn't. And my neck isn't, so it kind of starts here. I'm kind of red right now, but it's alright. We're gonna even that out. So you're just gonna blend it. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this new contour stick that I just got from Fenty. I love it because I just love Fenty. Like, if anyone's never tried Fenty, it's amazing. I like it. Rihanna, she did a great job with her makeup line. So I'm going to do that, and I'm also going to conceal. And I'm going to use the two Tarte Shape Tapes that I, of course, always use. got a sample of the Mercier Under Eye Brightening Powder, and I'm going to try that out. Morphe Y11 brush. Just lightly very lightly. And if you touch it and it's still sticky, you need more. You want to make sure that it's really set so it doesn't crease, because when it creases, then that's when you have issues. So I'm just gonna make sure I just set that. Take the Mercier and I'm gonna set my face. Then I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs bronzer, and I'm just gonna bronze.
Prime my eyes with the Smashbox Primer, and I put that all over my lids. And then I use the Louise base primer on my lids, and I cover it with a small beauty blender. And then after this, I'm going to use Individual in the Stila palette, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. And then I went in with the shade Suede by Anastasia, and I put that all over the lid. Then I went in with a metallic bright yellow that I got from NYX as a single eyeshadow. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. And then I went in with a golden highlighter, and I just put it like in the tear duct area to highlight. It kind of matched the eyeshadow too. And then I went in with the Diva eyeshadow from the Perception palette from ColourPop, and I just put it in the inner part of my eye just to like give it some dimension. It was like golden, which is really cool. It looked really nice. I also went in with the Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner. And then that's pretty much it. I then put some mascara on. The mascara was the L'Oreal Paradise primer, and then I put the Better Than Sex mascara on top of that. the Nars blush palette and I put a few of the blushes that I showed in the video all over my cheeks. And I just sprayed myself with the all-nighter spray. And that was pretty much it. Thank you for listening.
Oh, the last step that I did, I forgot to tell you, I actually put some coconut lip liner. It's by Kylie Cosmetics. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me any feedback that you think down below, and have a good day. Bye.